In today's video, I'll show you on how you can recover deleted photos from Google Files save folder. So basically, in my case, I'm going to put a photo onto my Google Save folder right here, which is going to be this one. And from here, I'll just click on the Move to Save folder option. I'll type in my passwords and there we have it. From there, let's then navigate through the Save folder. And basically, here is our photo right here. Now, the first thing that you want to do when you are recovering your photos is to navigate through the three dots or the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. And from here, you then want to click on the bin option. From here, you want to make sure that there are no files stored within this folder. This is where deleted files go, so you want to check this folder first. From there, you then want to check the original location of your saved image. So in my case, it's going to be inside my camera. Now, due to security reasons, I'm not going to click on my camera or images right here, but you simply want to head back to your images, and from there you want to check whether you have your original photos back. Because if we navigate through our save folder, and if you click on the three dots right here, the option is going to be move out of save folder and delete permanently. So if you click on delete permanently, this will basically delete your file forever, enabling you to recover your files. So you just want to check those two locations, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.